Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make lactose-free cheese. First, we need some regular milk, a strainer, some water, and a lactase enzyme tablet. Now, let's crush the lactase enzyme into tiny pieces. Next, mix it with water until it dissolves. Then, pour it through the strainer just once. We are going to add this enzyme water into our milk. Then place it in the fridge for about 2 days. Okay, now let's pour the milk into a pot and heat it up. When it starts to bubble, add some vinegar. You can also use lemon juice instead of vinegar. Look at the curds forming. Isn't that cool? Add a little salt too. Now let's strain it again to separate the cheese from the liquid. Squeeze it carefully. Be careful, it's very hot. After squeezing out the water, look at this solid cheese. I was going to stop here, but I decided to cook something with it. I'm making bell pepper cream pasta with my homemade cheese. What dish would you make with your homemade cheese? Tell me in the comments below.